The Rajasthan government has taken swift action after 2 child deaths were linked to a generic cough syrup. The syrup was distributed through government health centres, and authorities have banned 22 batches of the medicine. An investigation has been launched and test reports are expected within 3 days. The syrup should not be administered to children below 5 years of age. The government is taking this matter very seriously and is working to ensure the safety of its citizens. What do you think about the ban on cough syrup in Rajasthan? Tell us in the comments.